I want to draw the attention of both our guests on the auto space. Let's look at some of the stocks that are at record highs, and I'll request the indulgence of the PCR for us to see Escorts all-time high as far as the markets are concerned. 2607 up 1.6%. A very strong traction coming into the futures of TVS Motors, again trading at 1.7% higher, 1400, near record levels. Ashok Leyland reacting to its fantastic performance in July. And of course, Maruti back in action after yesterday's earnings that were, at least as far as I'm concerned, market beating. First to you, Mileen. In the auto pack, which has been a great outperformer in the months of 2023, what are your 2 or 3 top picks?
Pick is TVS Motor. Now TVS Motor is showing good consolidation pattern at current levels. Now, if you see that TVS had gone up on 2nd of August with good volume, and now it is just consolidating its gain. Currently, it is trading at 1388 levels. We expect that this stock is likely to head towards, say, 1450 and 1520 levels. So one can trade with positive bias in this TVS Motor.
Right.
Yes, let's discuss TVS in a bit of detail. Sakshi, it's interesting to see today's volume, which is already about 3.5 lakh shares. It has exceeded yesterday's total volume. So the price breakout that you see at 1392 is accompanied by dramatically higher volume, and the all-time high is about 1401, which is likely to be, as Mileen points out, dramatically easy to overcome. So that's a view coming on TVS on the technical charts. But let's get Gaurang in. Gaurang, TVS has been one of your favorite counters. Would you like to add something on the fundamental side of this counter?
This is stocks in the two-wheeler segment. When you compare the likes of Bajaj or the heroes of the world, I'm excited about the new launches. So Ronin has done some excellent booking. Zeppelin is going to come in. That's the new launch on the higher category, luxury segment or high price tag segment that's going to be launched. I heard about yesterday, I was reading a report that they are working on a couple of more high-end premium motorcycles to compete with the likes of the recently launched Bajaj Triumph and Hero Harley, and of course the REs of the world, the king of the road, Royal Enfield. You will see a healthy competition coming over here. And one of the most important thing is, your urban demand remains strong, but the change in the semi-urban and rural India, Shell, is really interesting to see. Gone are the days when you used to see demand for entry-level or mid-size motorcycles from the semi-urban rural India. Today, there's no less than 350, 300, 350 cc demand. And I have witnessed this at ground level because I travel the length and the breadth of the country. And when I interact with people 5 years back, they were happy with 100, 125 cc. But nowadays, they want 350 cc plus kind of motorcycles. So you're going to see tremendous amount of boost coming in from semi-urban and rural India as far as volume growth for two-wheelers are concerned. So we remain positive on TVS, Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, as well as Eicher Motors because of RE play.
Right. Gaurang, the 10-year CAGR for TVS Motors is very, very strong as well, and that's what I wanted your opinion on. The kind of move that we've seen so far in the last 10 years, is that kind of a build-up expected even for the next decade as well from this counter?
I would definitely. My only thing is that export market should improve, Sakshi, because that's where you saw a little bit of downward tick on the month-on-month numbers, especially for those companies which have a large contribution coming in from export, like so Bajaj Auto. African countries and the rest of the region remains to be a very core contributor. But yeah, I think things should improve over there as well. But yeah, I mean, for TVS Motors, the run rate on the CAGR front, I don't think there's going to be any concern.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.